This compact WayPonDEV T-Mini Plus Lidar sensor delivers full-circle two-dimensional scanning, giving small robots and drones a surprisingly complete view of their surroundings. Its time-of-flight design reaches out to roughly 12 meters with consistent precision, making it very reliable for indoor mapping and obstacle avoidance tasks. The tiny, lightweight housing and modest power draw make it easy to mount on mobile platforms where every gram and cubic millimeter matters. Angular detail is fine enough for smooth navigation, yet the scanning and ranging rates stay high, so fast-moving projects can react quickly to changing environments. Support for popular robotics frameworks and operating systems, along with a straightforward serial interface, makes integration into existing projects much less painful. Documentation, example software, and an active support channel from the manufacturer help new users get practical point cloud data out of the sensor quickly.